Hey crew, welcome back to the channel. We're gonna do some boneless fried chicken breasts that I cut up in little cubes, and we're gonna put a sauce on them. So if y'all want to see what sauce we put on them, please stick around. And only thing we're gonna use for the chicken is paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt-free vegetable seasoning, salt, and ground black pepper. All right, crew. So we're gonna season our boneless chicken breast chunks, and we're gonna use the salt here. We're not gonna do a lot. And it's just gonna be a quick, simple video. Not gonna make it long. Y'all will get this video today. So let us know if you're watching the Super Bowl, and let us know who you're going for and what you think the outcome will be. The outcome of the score. And that was the black pepper, and here go the onion powder. And y'all can season it your way. Any way you want it, you can season your way. This is just a quick video to show y'all how we gonna do ours. This is garlic powder. We're gonna go in with a little paprika. Then we're gonna go in with the salt-free vegetable seasoning. And we're just gonna mix it up. And we don't want to over season the chicken because we're gonna put a sauce on it. So y'all all know how to fry chicken, so I ain't gonna bore y'all to death. I'm just gonna show y'all what it look like putting it in there, and what it look like coming out, and how I do the sauce. It's gonna be a quick video. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and drop a comment in the comment section below. So that's all we're gonna do. And when I get it to start, we put it in the fryer. I'll bring y'all guys back. We're gonna lightly flour this. If you can see, you see all the seasoning on there. We're gonna lightly flour and fry it at 350. Okay, crew. I'm just gonna show y'all what I'm doing for the first batch. And then when I take it out, I'll show you guys what it look like. Yes. Huh? Yep.
Good tonight. In a bed like some fatties.
Yeah, ma'am. And once again, guys, I just lightly floured it. And I'm only gonna fry these between 5 to 8 minutes since it's bites. And you don't want to overcook your chicken breast bites. Okay, crew, here goes the first batch of the boneless chicken bites. Okay, crew. Just show y'all what it look like as we come along. This is like the 4th or 5th batch. And I know last time I didn't get to show y'all because I was doing a short. And if y'all haven't seen that short, go over and watch it also. Another look. We're making it happen in the kitchen. And we have some meatballs over here that's slowly cooking in the casserole cooker. And we have the hamburger meat here that's gonna be for the Rotel dip. And we also gonna have some baked beans, and I'm trying to convince the queen to put a few hot dogs in there. But you know, we shall see. But this is gonna be our Super Bowl lineup. And we doing buffalo wings and barbecue wings. I don't see the barbecue sauce, but I'm just letting y'all know. Okay, crew, we back and we got some medium buffalo sauce by Buffalo Wild Wing, and we're probably gonna use just like a jar and a half. So this is a whole jar right here that I'm pouring in. And then I'm gonna take a half of this jar right here that haven't been opened. And I'm gonna use some country crock. I know it ain't butter. Hey, so don't come for me. It's margarine. Dang it. But we're gonna put a little of that in the sauce. And we're not gonna add anything to the sauce but a little margarine. And that's it. And I'm gonna add like a dab of water. Can you put a little water in there, please, ma'am? Thank you, love. No, I don't put no flavor water in there. Cool, she said she gonna put some flavor water in there. I'm gonna have the wings taste like hot berries.
They might like hot berries.
Thank you, love.
You're welcome. Shake it. Yeah, because I ain't put the top on. I'm glad you did. Because it would have went everywhere.
Nah, I wasn't gonna shake it on the top one on them, man. Because then I'd have been made a hot mess. So we're gonna turn this a little bit more. And we just trying to melt the margarine and a lot of sauce, the sauce to come together, excuse me. And then we're gonna pour the sauce over top of our boneless chicken bites. And it ain't nothing special, guys. It's easy. Just fry your chicken how you normally fry your chicken. If you're doing wings or chicken strips, or you cutting up in bite-sized pieces, do it your way. Make it your own, you know. Ain't no right or wrong way to doing your sauce. It's your sauce, and do it your way. And I'm also gonna do some with this video ain't sponsored, but hey, we're gonna show y'all Sweet Baby Ray's. Thank you. Okay, guys, we're just gonna pour the sauce over it.
Bring it downstairs.
So crew, this the buffalo, and we're gonna put them in the oven and allow them to stay warm in there. Okay, crew. So now we're gonna do the barbecue sauce. We're just gonna put some sauce in there. And we're gonna add a little margarine. We're also just gonna warm this through. We're gonna add like a drop to loosen it up, a drop of water to loosen it up. Okay, we just want to warm the sauce through, and now we're gonna add it to our boneless chicken bites. Okay, so we have the boneless chicken bites right here. We have the sauce. Let's go. Dribble it over. So we just gonna mix this up. We're gonna put foil over it, and we're just gonna put it in the oven and let it stay warm. Okay, crew, here's the finished look of everything we made. We made Rotel dip, meatballs, boneless chicken bites, which were buffalo and sweet baby rays. Guys, let us know who you're going for the Super Bowl. Let us know if you're going for the Bengals or the Rams, guys. And if you're new over here, please subscribe to the channel. Click the bell, set post notifications to all. And if you're oldie but goodie, guys, please thumbs up the video and comment in the comment section below, and we'll interact back with y'all. And you already know the slogan. We'll catch y'all in the next video, and we out. Peace.